Hi, I don't quite know how I got into this. I got a phone call saying a lot of people have dropped out, could you help? So it's last minute. The first poem I'm going to read is by Rudyard Kipling. Many of you will know it, it means a lot to me, although it does have quite a sexist end, but we'll adjust that as it goes. It's If. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn-out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it in one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve you long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you're a man, my son, or a girl, my daughter. And I just jotted this down, and I don't know how it works, so bear with me on this. It's a beautiful place. My home is in Mallorca now. It has been for 20 odd years. I fell in love with Pollensa Bay. Its beauty reduced me to tears. The majestic mountains reaching up high and the light sand lining the shores. A rainbow of colours enchanted my eyes, and the calmness caused me to pause. I'd no intention of living here and was bound back to the UK. But the wonder and mystery of the place decided me that I should stay. The Mallorca folks can sometimes look stern, but their hearts are brimming with love. They're helpful and willing and always will pray for blessings from God above. I've met neighbours who'll take me under their wing and teach me all that they know. They are generous, grateful, and always will be a friend and never a foe. Their history, their culture, and customs are taught with a reverence for days gone by, and their local fiestas commemorate times which their forefathers told with a sigh. I love their costumes in the square as they dance in traditional way. Valencians guard their historical roots, but share with the tourists who stay. The countryside behind the port is overflowing with life. Flora and fauna and birds up above. And then the goats, who sometimes cause strife. The seasons give weather of varying types, from snow on the mountain tops to the summer months of July and August, when the sun is scorchingly hot. The tourists are vital for our well-being here, their income and presence deserved. It's great that the restaurants, empty last year, now have all their tables reserved. After 2 years of COVID all over the world, it's good to see people again. With a beach full of brollies and streets full of folks, locals will hopefully gain. I love this town, and truly it is the jewel in the Nod's crown, with the beauty and culture and magical feel. It lifts up and never puts down. Thank you.